Hey everybody, it's John again from Gasper's Automotive Restoration, and I'm trying to start showing some more videos of things here in the shop that we do that are not done at most shops. And that today is this video of our broach setup here. Broaching is a process where you take a tapered tooth broach here and you can cut a new keyway in something. So, for example, this pulley is off of a 1929 Waukesha gas engine that we're working on, and the keyway on that side was chewed up and worn out, and so there's no timing on this pulley. It's just a pulley, so we flipped it 180 degrees, and I've been adding shims. I had to make a bushing in our lathe. We chewed through the bushing and to get over to the pulley, and we're gonna go run the broach through here right now and show you how this works, and I will take it apart and show you why we had to do this and exactly how in just a second. There we go. Just got it started. So what the broach does is these teeth are stepped out 3/1000 each tooth, further out in this direction. And when you get to the top few teeth here, there's no change. They're all the same distance. So when you get all the way to the top, everything is, the keyway is the same depth and size all the way through the part that you're broaching. So now I've got the broach lined up. I'm going to use this arbor press here, and we're going to push this down, and this is going to chop off material in the pulley all the way down. And this is our final cut on this, and I believe we will not need to do this again. This is about the 4th pass I've made. I think I gotta go just a little more. Reset our stuff here. That last little bit. The broach comes down all the way through. You can see here all of the material that it removed here. And you can actually see the taper if you look closely from end to end. And that's how much it takes off, about, I would say probably 20 to 25 thousandths. I don't know the numbers on this, but now we set this up and we take this is the broach bushing here, and we add these spacers depending on how thick we want to make how deep we want to make this keyway. All right, and that comes with it. There's actually a whole set right here. This is the set that I own here for the shop, and we can make all kinds of different keyways here for various pulleys. And so this was the right one. This was 3/16 wide for this application. And we take this off here. This is the bushing that I made in the lathe, minus this slot. We actually cut right through the bushing and into here to make it the right depth, and this took up the slop. So this is a sacrificial bushing. And we'll keep this in case there's another pulley like this on another Waukesha or some other engine. We may need this, so we'll keep that. And as you can see, we have a nice brand new keyway here cut into this pulley, and there's the old one. You can see how worn that is. Really bad. That's ready to chop the key off, and then all of a sudden you lose your fan. You have no idea what's going on. You don't have your fan belt spinning anymore. And instead of buying a new gear or a new pulley, we fixed the old one. Okay, so here's the test with the fit up. This is the shaft that this pulley is supposed to go on. So you can see before there's the bad section, and then we're gonna put this guy on here, and this is the new keyway, and it goes right on. Look at that. I'm not gonna hit it on all the way because it's gonna get stuck on there, but it's fitting really nice. And just a little bit of effort, and you can see the old keyway right there. There's your new one, and it's brand new. So we saved this piece of iron here, and it's good for another 100 years. That is how a broach works. So just wanted to show you guys how that worked. We're gonna have more videos like this hopefully coming soon, tech videos, and keep that old iron running.